Today's wash and go is featuring
I will keep you up
MIELLE Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard.
when you miss the piece of hair and spray yourself directly in the face. You can probably hear it as I'm picking. Seemed like as soon as I turned on the camera. Hey y'all. Smells so good. Pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. That is what we're using today. I have my hair split into two sections currently. We're going to break it down a little bit more. I'm about to put it into 4 sections. This is, now, fun fact, I have been natural for a very long time. However, this is my very first MIELLE hair product. This is the first time I've tried MIELLE, so I'm super interested to see how it responds with my hair, or reacts with my hair. It is a custard, and I typically do gels or foams. Well, I typically do a foam. However, I will do a gel also. And I am just applying this generously to this section. Not really sure what to expect. With it being a custard, I'm not really getting a super, I mean, I'm getting some slip, but it just doesn't really feel like a gel. The bottle says, not the bottle, the container says, enhances curls with deep definition for thick, curly, type 4 hair. We shall see now, shall we? My hair is freshly washed and conditioned. It feels slimy. I would think this is enough. Well, this is what we have now as far as definition. Let me put a little bit more on this section here. I just don't know how much to use. I typically don't go for the I am super excited to be trying this product out since I have never tried a MIELLE product before. I've heard great things about MIELLE products, but I guess when I started to hear about MIELLE products, I had already sort of found what works for me, if that makes sense. And although in the earlier years, the earlier stages or earlier phases of my hair journey, I did a lot more experimenting as far as different products. So, I mean, obviously, we all probably turned into a product junkie when we first went natural. I have since then, since I've been rocking this set of hair for many years, I sort of found what works for me, and I just stuck with it because, I mean, it's just kind of what you do. Well, it's kind of what I do. You find something that works. I'm going to re-dampen my hair with this spray bottle because we're getting a little dry. I am really enjoying the scent of this custard, coil sculpting custard. I know most people like to pay special attention to their roots during the wash and go process to, help reduce the getting puffy roots. However, I typically don't pay a lot of attention. Well, not a lot, but I typically don't focus on my roots being defined so much because I do like volume at the roots. So, well, volume at my roots at least. And I'm gonna put a little additional right here on the part for a little extra reinforcement. And I don't know. This is what we have so far for the first side, or the first half. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to dry, but I will keep you all updated. Okay. First half, I'm going to go ahead and do the second. I'm going to go ahead and do the second half, and then I'll be back. When you miss the piece of hair and spray yourself directly in the face, yeah, happens way too often for me. I am watching Chelsea's vlog in the background. Her name is I am Chelsea Janae, I believe, or that's what's in the background. I love watching Chelsea's vlogs. Chelsea, she gonna show you some things now, okay? Chelsea is going to show you some things. She's currently in Miami on vacation, taking a much needed break, like she deserves because she works hard, obviously. Um, so she's currently on a little vacation now, and she decided to take us along with her. And she's just showing us some pretty dope, like behind the scenes stuff of the places that she visits, and just it's just pretty awesome. I really do enjoy watching Chelsea's vlogs. And as we are nearing the end here, I am going to apply a little more product to my edges and sort of push them back because I do prefer my hair sort of pushed back off my face. So this is what we have so far. This is what we're working with. Curls look pretty good, if I do say so myself. My shirt is now disgusting looking. And I'm just going to sort of push my two sides, push both sides back in a backward direction. Well, towards the back, not a backwards direction. What is that? I'm going to push both sides sort of back. So when my hair dries, it'll sort of dry to the back, so that way, I don't know how to describe it, but I like this part kind of pushed back so this can kind of fall forward versus it all just sort of falling towards my face, because it'll just kind of get in the way. So this is what I do sometimes, most times, or when, especially when I use a gel. I think I'm going to try using my hand dryer today. And if it begins to get annoying to me, I'll just sit under my hooded dryer. So I'll be back. And we're back. Hair is dry. I did use the hand dryer for the entire drying process. It didn't take long. I expected it to take longer, but it did not take very long. So I am happy about that. My hair does have a hold. It's not super crunchy or anything like that, but I'm not going to stretch it or do anything to it today. I'm just going to continue to allow the product to do whatever it is it's going to do to my hair, and then tomorrow I will stretch it and shape it and see how it turns out. But this is what it looks like now. It is dry for the most part, and I'm just going to go ahead and take these out because they're no longer needed. The purpose has been served. A little up close action here. It's not cute now, but you know, the glow up, the natural hair glow up is always a thing. Because although we're looking like this now, tomorrow, glow up. Okay. See you tomorrow. Good morning. The next day. Let's stretch this here. I went to sleep with nothing on my head. So I literally woke up like that. My hair is fully dry. Okay. Done. I really don't have time to sit and let this cool like I usually do. I'm in a bit of a rush, so I am going to turn this down. I'm going to just go ahead and take these off now so I can get out the door. Someone is waiting on me and probably giving me all kind of side eyes. Alright. Do a little picking and shaping. There is definitely a nice hold. Not super crunchy, but there is a hold. I do feel like my hair has a nice shine to it, which I like and appreciate because my hair is naturally pretty dull in color. Okay. You can probably hear it as I'm picking my hair out. That's the whole tree. I like it. I feel like it's gonna last for a few days. I feel like it's gonna age well. And that's all for today. Cause I got to go. I got to go, y'all. Got people to see, places to go. Y'all know how the saying goes. I ain't gonna get it right. People to go, places to see. People to see, places to go. You know. Love it. What should I do next? Thanks for watching.